Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So, I had a bright idea last night. We'll see if it works out. I wanted to mix up some more of that rose madder color that I came up with. And you do that by taking any kind of paints that you have and you mix some burnt umber into some magenta and give it kind of a brown undertone. And that's what I have here. Now magenta is very transparent. Burnt umber's not quite so much, so it will tone it down and it won't be as transparent. Then I mixed up some purple last night, and it's kind of a blue purple, a grapey blue purple that is made using cobalt blue with magenta. I have white metallic that is Anita's brand white metallic. I have red metallic that is the Rojo Gold from Chroma Molten Metals. I love these. I have the yellow gold, which is the Dorado Gold from Chroma Molten Metals. So I just want to see what happens. I'm thinking about, I had some Prussian blue and I decided not to use it, and then I thought about cerulean blue and I thought about using it and I decided not to, and I thought there's enough blue in this purple that it may come through as blue, which is a cool color, and these are warm colors and neutral. So I'm not even sure how I'm going to do this, but I think I want to put that red gold next to that rose madder, and then maybe the yellow gold against the purple. See how that works. Kind of separate those two. I'm gonna do a layered cup. I may just do a ring pour. See how they look together. This is the rose madder color that I did. Now these are a little more heavy bodied. And as far as how I mixed them, I didn't put them real thin. Put this gold to separate those reds from this purple. Get back over here, white. I need 5 ounces. This is 11 by 14. Should have pretty close to that, if not that much. I may wish later I'd put white between more colors. Sometimes that helps to really show them up. Man, it was 4 layers to empty out the cups. Well, I layered it upside down again for a ring pour. Maybe not. If I end up with that purple on top, it should be all right. I'm just going to be really full. This cup will be really full. Stand up there. And for new people that are watching, if you haven't poured much or you haven't poured, the reason when you do a ring pour, you want your dark colors on top, your light colors in the bottom of the cup, because that way the light colors will be the last thing that comes out of the cup and your dark colors will be around the edge, and then it'll get lighter as it goes in. But these colors are all, except for that gold and white, they're kind of dark, so I think I may move it a little closer just because I'm so out of whack here. It's going to run off down the hill on me. I don't prop that canvas up a little bit. This may turn out really ugly. Looking like it might. It's coming out and rippling. I don't like that. Oops. I think I found it there. Uh-oh, I think I just messed it up worse. Well, phooey. Look at that. I must have dipped my cup right into the edge of that because it's not on my glove. I've done that before. Had that cup down real low and then go to pull it up and you touch your paint. So I'll be taking that corner off. I'll show you how I messed it up. See right there in that? Dip that cup into it, I bet. It's gonna turn out ugly, I can tell. It's gonna be an ugly one. I don't know about this. You can tell my paint's a little thicker. That rose madder and that purple do not look pretty against each other. So, won't be doing that again. May end up washing this canvas off instead of keeping it. May not even have enough paint, thick as I made it. This is not pretty. Not at all. Wet this up and help it to move. Yes, I don't anticipate this one turning out pretty at all. Of course, it could be made into a galaxy painting. Come on down in that corner right there. Okay. Yep, not pretty. Not pretty. I'm so glad I didn't put that blue in there, because that blue would have really thrown it over the edge. So that purple has got so much blue in it. There's a blob that caused the problem. Made all that string down through there and look weird. Yes, this is not a keeper, I don't think. Those 5 ounces of paint gone. Huh. I don't know, which is very strange, since I don't think I'm going to keep it anyway. Stuck my finger in the end down here. I'll show it to you. It's nothing special, I don't think. Just don't like it. Just don't care for it much. Like I said, it might turn into, I'll keep from swooping that paint over there on that edge. Might turn into a galaxy fairly easily. But I don't know. I don't like the colors. I don't like the color combination at all. Ew. And that red gold really went red on me. I think that's what it is. I don't think it's that rose madder. It could be. That rose madder had that kind of browny tint to it, as you can see. Something's really red in there. So I think that probably is this metallic. I don't know. Kind of hard to tell. I put the white in, then the rose, then that red metallic. It's that red metallic that's showing up so much. Weird. Just weird. Okay, I'll take the camera down, show it to you. Thanks for watching. It's almost off the end of the table. Okay, so this is how it looks from up top. I just really don't care much for this. You can see that purple came through more as a blue than as an actual purple. It's really dark right in there. Then that red, it just really popped through there. That white was not a good choice. And then I played with the inside of it because I didn't like it anyway. So, and then that little blob that I had messed up this whole area right here and caused it to not, you know, pull right. So, here's what I got. That was not a good idea. Unless you like a pinky red, funky looking painting. I don't know. I'm just disappointed, I guess. I just thought that rose madder would come through and look so much prettier. So, not a good choice of colors. Thanks for watching.